Welcome to the world of marketing strategies and practices. Marketing is an essential component of any successful business. It's all about promoting your products or services and reaching your target customers. To master marketing, you need to unlock effective strategies and practices that will help you reach your goals. First, let's talk about the power of social media. In today's digital age, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter allow you to connect with your audience in an instant. Next, consider the importance of branding. A strong brand identity not only builds trust with your customers, but also sets you apart from your competitors. Another effective strategy is content marketing. By creating valuable and engaging content, you can attract and engage your target audience. Don't forget about the power of influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers in your industry can greatly expand your reach and credibility. Furthermore, data-driven marketing is key. Analyzing customer behavior and preferences can help you tailor your marketing efforts for maximum impact. Lastly, always keep an eye on the competition. Understanding their strategies can help you identify opportunities and stay ahead in the market. By integrating these strategies and practices into your marketing efforts, you can unlock the potential for business growth and success. Thanks for watching this video on mastering marketing strategies and practices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching. If you're eager to learn more about enhancing engagement on social media, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We regularly upload videos that can help you navigate the complex world of digital marketing. Have any questions or doubts? Don't hesitate to drop a comment below. We love hearing from you and value your feedback. For those of you who want a more hands-on approach, our team at Amplify Social Media is just a call away. Reach out to us and schedule a meeting. We are passionate about helping businesses like yours thrive in the digital world. Together, we can create a social media strategy that resonates with your audience and drives your business forward. Remember, the power to amplify your social media presence is just a click away.